Hey everybody, and welcome to Castle's Corner. I'm Coach Castle, and this is just a quick video to explain how muscles work, both the concentric as well as the eccentric, the insertion and the origin, and how muscles work just in general. So just some general knowledge for you guys if you don't already know this. Your human body is basically an organic machine. The bones are levers, and your joints are basically just pivots or hinges, and muscles cross these points and bring the two levers together. Now, muscles will always pull origin to insertion, and the reason for this is simple. The origin is the more fixed location, and the insertion is the more mobile. Now, when a muscle contracts, there's something called the all or nothing principle, meaning all of the muscles participate in the movement, or none of them do. You cannot selectively select certain fibers and prioritize them over others. They all work together synergistically. Now, the concentric contraction is the contraction of a muscle resulting in its shortening. And of course, the eccentric would be the contraction of a muscle during its lengthening. So in the case of a bicep curl, bringing the wrist to the shoulder would be the contraction, and then reversing the movement would be the eccentric. Now, of course, when performing these movements, it is very important to understand that the concentric should be very rapid and the eccentric should be slow, 4 to 5 seconds, as this is where most of the muscle damage occurs.